Welcome to this tutorial on gossip-based dissemination. In distributed systems, we need to spread information quickly and reliably across many computers. Imagine you want to tell a piece of news to a large group of people. Instead of calling each person individually, you tell a few friends, and they each tell a few more friends. That's essentially how gossip protocols work. They are scalable, fault-tolerant, and simple to implement. In this series, we'll explore how gossip protocols function, their mathematical properties, real-world trade-offs, and how to measure their performance. The core idea behind gossip protocols is epidemic spread. Think of it like a disease spreading through a population. When one person gets sick, they infect others. Those infected people then infect more people, and so on. In gossip protocols, information spreads the same way. A node that has new information randomly selects a few other nodes and sends them the data. Those nodes then do the same, exponentially increasing the number of nodes that know about the information. This redundancy is key. Even if some messages get lost due to network failures, the information still spreads efficiently because multiple copies are being sent in parallel. Gossip dissemination happens in three distinct phases. First is push. A node actively sends information to randomly selected peers. This is fast initially because information spreads exponentially. Second is scatter. After several rounds, most nodes have the information, but the push phase starts slowing down as more messages are sent to nodes that already have the data. Third is converge. In this final phase, information reaches the last few nodes through repeated transmission attempts. Understanding these phases helps us see why gossip protocols are efficient overall. The early exponential growth means we reach most nodes quickly, even though the tail end takes longer. Gossip protocols provide strong mathematical guarantees. With high probability, after a certain number of rounds, almost all nodes will have received the information. This probability depends on three factors: the network size, the number of messages each node sends per round, and the total number of rounds executed. For example, in a network of 1,000 nodes, sending 3 messages per round for 10 rounds can reach over 99% of nodes with very high probability. These guarantees come from probability theory and help us understand how many rounds we need to guarantee successful dissemination. Implementing a gossip protocol is straightforward. Each round, a node maintains a queue of pending updates. It selects a random subset of neighbors, typically between 1 and 10 nodes depending on network size. It sends the update to those neighbors. Neighbors who receive the update add it to their own queue. For pull-based gossip, a node periodically asks random peers what updates they have and fetches missing ones. For push-pull hybrid, nodes both send and request information, which combines the speed of push with the completeness of pull. The beauty of gossip is that this simple algorithm achieves excellent coverage with minimal overhead. The choice of network topology significantly affects gossip protocol performance. In a fully connected network, every node can directly reach every other node, making dissemination very fast but requiring more connections. In a sparse topology like a ring or tree, nodes have fewer neighbors, reducing overhead but potentially slowing convergence. Random peer sampling provides a good balance. Each node maintains a random subset of peers. When selecting neighbors to gossip with, random selection is typically better than choosing nearest neighbors because it prevents clustering and ensures information spreads throughout the network evenly. The topology and selection strategy together determine the trade-off between speed and resource usage. Real networks are not perfect. Gossip protocols must handle message loss, where some packets never reach their destination. Fortunately, the redundancy in gossip protocols compensates. If one message is lost, others sent in the same round usually succeed. Network delays also occur when messages take longer than expected. Gossip protocols tolerate delays because they run asynchronously without depending on strict timing. The most serious failure is a network partition, where the network splits into isolated groups. Each partition continues spreading information within itself. When the partition heals and the groups reconnect, eventual consistency mechanisms merge the information. These fault-tolerant properties make gossip protocols ideal for unreliable distributed systems. Deploying gossip protocols in production requires careful tuning. Large networks need smaller per-round fanout to avoid message floods, typically using the logarithm of network size. Small networks can use larger fanout for faster spreading. Increasing redundancy, such as sending each message multiple times or performing more rounds, improves reliability but uses more bandwidth. System designers must decide. Do we prioritize low latency, meaning information spreads quickly but uses more resources? Or do we optimize for efficiency, using fewer messages but tolerating slightly higher latency? The right choice depends on your workload and network constraints. Monitoring and observability help you understand your system's behavior and tune these parameters effectively. To assess whether a gossip implementation works well, we measure several key metrics. End-to-end latency tells us how long it takes for information to reach most nodes. Convergence time measures when we achieve nearly complete coverage. Bandwidth overhead quantifies the total number of messages sent per node. Accuracy measures whether all nodes eventually have consistent information. Observability, through metrics and dashboards, lets operators monitor these values in real time and quickly detect problems. For example, if latency suddenly increases, it might indicate network congestion or failures. If accuracy drops, it might suggest a bug in conflict resolution. Good observability enables informed tuning and faster incident response. Let's recap the key ideas about gossip-based dissemination. The core idea is simple: spread information peer-to-peer using epidemic spreading with built-in redundancy. Dissemination happens in 3 phases: push, scatter, and converge, with mathematical guarantees on coverage. Implementation is straightforward. Each round, send to random peers. The critical success factors are network topology and neighbor selection strategy. Real systems must tolerate failures like message loss, delays, and network partitions. Deployment requires tuning trade-offs between latency, overhead, and accuracy based on your network size and workload. Finally, observability through metrics enables informed decisions and quick problem detection. Gossip protocols are powerful tools for building scalable, reliable distributed systems.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.